In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button go to another page in Carrd. This practical feature can greatly enhance the navigation of your site, making it more user-friendly. Whether you want to link to different sections within your site or direct your visitors to an external page, you'll find this tutorial beneficial. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to be in the Carrd editor. Once there, locate the plus sign. Clicking on the plus sign allows you to add new elements to your site, and for today we're interested in the button element. So go ahead and click on button as the element you want to add. With your new button in place, it's time to decide what the label will say. The label is essentially what your visitors will see and click on, so it needs to be clear and ideally action oriented. You might choose something like go to about page or view more. Think about what action you want your visitors to take and make it concise. Next, focus on the URL field. This step is crucial because it's where you're going to define where the button will take your visitors. If your aim is to link to another page within the same Carrd site, you'll use what's known as a relative link. It should look like this, section name, but be sure to replace name with the actual name of your section. This tells the system to jump to a specific section within your site when the button is clicked. Alternatively, if you're directing visitors to an entirely separate website, you'll need to use a full URL. A full URL is simply the complete web address of the page you want to link to, something like https://yourblog.com/page. This clearly directs the visitor to an external site. You have an option here on whether the page opens in the same tab or a new one. If you want the linked content to open in a new tab, perhaps to keep your site open on the visitor's browser, add /blank at the end of your URL. So the link might look like http://yourblog.com page blank. Now comes the fun part, customizing your button to fit seamlessly with your site's aesthetic. You can adjust the color to match your scheme, resize it depending on its importance, or reposition it to ensure visibility and functionality. Don't hesitate to experiment until you're satisfied with the look and placement. Finally, once you're happy with your setup, make sure to click Done to save your changes. Then don't forget to publish your site. Publishing your site updates the live version, ensuring that all your visitors will now experience the new functionality of your button. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a button that can direct visitors to another page in Carrd. You've just taken your site's navigation to the next level, improving engagement and user experience. Keep exploring and tweaking to make the most out of Carrd's features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.